honey, everything will be okay. That's materialistic. You just need to be happy that everything with you is good and you're safe.
That's not what I really want to fucking hear right now. There are times when people say certain things, it's kind of like you're trying to control people's emotions. Like, alright, for instance, telling someone after something materialistic of theirs has been damaged, like, oh, it's fine, it's okay, it's just materialistic, thank God you're here. Like, yes, thank God that everything with me is okay, but you don't know the struggle that I just went through to get that materialistic item. Like, it wasn't handed to me. I had to bust my ass to get that item. Like, for instance, recently I had someone very dear and close to me pass on July 2nd, very recent, July 2nd. And, like, people have been good, people has been very encouraging. One thing, though, that really bothers me that people's been saying to me is, it gets better. And for me, I know it gets better. It's very recent. Like I said, this person's dear to me. They died July 2nd. It's still very recent. And you telling me it gets better, it's like you're trying to force me to, like, mourn it in a quicker way. Like, people have to mourn things in a timely manner. And I get that people are saying things to be encouraging, but not everybody likes to hear things a certain way. Like, you may be saying it this way because that's what you would like to hear, but everybody is different. Like, I know for me, like, for instance, like, I'm a very distant person, so, like, my friends have been checking up on me, and they know not to check on me, like, every day, because they know I'm not gonna like that. They check on me here and there, or I'll hit them up, you know, or whatever, like I said before. That, like, people mourn differently, and people are trying to comfort people how they would like to be comfort, but what people have to understand is, sometimes just being there for someone is comfort enough. If you don't really know how to go about, like checking on a person, ask them what they would like for you to do, because sometimes you think you're saying something and you think you're being helpful and you're really, like, not. Like, I know I've been felt like people are trying to tell me how to feel about my emotions and how to control things. Like, even recently I was speaking to someone and I was just like, you know, I had to forgive this person for myself, for me. And they were like, well, you don't have to. And I'm like, no. You can't tell me how to feel. I felt like I needed to forgive this person in my life to move on. Not the person who passed recently, but I had someone in my life pass years ago. And I felt like I needed to forgive them for certain things. And I was told that I don't need to. Like, you cannot tell me what I need to do. I needed to forgive this person for these things, for me, for myself, for personal emotions. But like I said, the best thing sometimes to do is to be there for someone, for comfort. And also just ask a person, like, you know, how would you like for me to go about this? But guys, thank you for watching. And if you like what you see and you like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.